हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रही हूँ ऐसे माई हॉबी 400 वर्ड्स के साथ। मैं ये ऐसे आपके साथ शेयर करूँगी। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी, अगर अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। तो शुरू करते हैं हम अपनी वीडियो। माई हॉबी इज़ रीडिंग। I read storybooks, magazines, newspaper and any kind of material that I find interesting. This hobby got started when I was a little boy. I had always wanted my parents to read fairy tales and other stories to me. Soon they got fed up and tired to having to read to me continually. So as soon as I could, I learned to read. I started with simple ABC books soon. I could read simple fairy tales and other stories. Now I read just about anything that is available. Reading enabled me to learn about so many things that I would otherwise not know. I learned about how people lived in bygone days of magic and mystery. I learned about the wonders of the world, space travel, human achievement, tiny viruses, and data scanning things of our world. The wonderful thing about reading is that I do not have to learn things the hard way. Example, I do not here to catch a disease to know that it can kill me. I know the danger so I can avoid it. Also, I do not have to go deep into the jungle to learn about the tiger. I can read all about it in a book. Book provide the reader with so much information and facts. They have certainly helped me in my daily life. I am better equipped to cope with living otherwise. I would go about ignoring learning things the hard way. So I continue to reading. Besides more informative about the world, I also spend my time profitably. It is indeed a good hobby. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो थोड़ी सी भी हेल्पफुल लगे तो प्लीज़ मेरी वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन के बटन को दबाना बिल्कुल ना भूलें ताकि आने वाली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती रहे। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो।